The next generation Citroen C5 Aircross is almost here. And it'll bring electric power, a futuristic interior, and incredible comfort. But will it live up to the hype? Stay tuned, because we've got all the exclusive details. Exterior, bold and unique French design. The production model stays true to the 2024 concept, but with noticeable changes: smaller wheels, standard door handles, and thicker pillars. Standout features: protruding LED taillights and aero wheels, pure French style. Leaked patents confirm the SUV's sleek, modern look, ready to turn heads. Interior: futuristic and super comfortable. Game-changing cabin. Floating center console with large portrait-style touchscreen. Physical buttons underneath. Finally, some common sense. Sleek drive selector and digital cockpit for a high-tech feel. Clever storage solutions, including hidden cup holders behind the screen. Advanced comfort. Citroen's legendary comfort seats return. Super soft for long journeys. Custom-tuned suspension for a cloud-like ride. More space thanks to a slightly larger footprint. Platform and powertrain, electrified and versatile. STLA, medium platform, shared with the Peugeot 3008, Opel Grandland and DS models. Opening the door for Citroen's first electric C5 Aircross. Powertrain options. All electric, the star of the show. Hybrid and plug-in hybrid for flexibility. Some markets will still get a gas engine, for now. Why this matters: with the C5X fastback starting to disappear, the C5 Aircross is Citroen's new flagship, focusing on comfort, technology, and electrification. April 29th, Citroen's electric show event, where all the details will be revealed. What do you think of the new Citroen C5 Aircross? Will you go electric, hybrid, or stick with petrol? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our coverage of the official launch. Want more of the latest car news? Watch our latest video on competitor model here.